Right, I'm just experimenting. You have to excuse me because I've got quite a loud. It's freezing here. It's like ice on the bloody car when I was coming in, and I'm just experimenting using this. I've actually got, for some reason, I ended up with two phones. This is my phone that I use all the time, and this is just like a spare. You know, so I'm experimenting with this, and yeah. So what it is that you might not be able to see there. No, you can't see, can you? Because it's just me. But I guess that's okay. So this is the back of a car, and let me show you. That's the actual full chassis of the car there, which has been built, but the prototype needs to be. Yeah, it's right, isn't it? The prototype needs to be kind of fixed up. There's my compressor at the side there. Yeah. I'm out of view now, aren't I? This is the problem. Let me put it further back, and you can get a better shot. Yeah, I think that's better, isn't it? Yeah. So this is the body of the car, which is currently lifted off. It's been like that for quite a while, right? And it's raised up on. I've got a. This is a 5-ton lift that I've got. Don't know what that is. Let's come out of the car. And so I'm actually constructing this. I don't think I've ever done a video like this, but maybe I don't know. So this is being constructed. It's been on. This has been around for quite a long time because essentially money ran out, and you know, life things happen. Plus, I personally need to earn money in order to pay for all this. I'm not like some rich millionaire. I'm just using my income from IT, essentially, from IT consulting, freelancing. And when the money's available, I put it into this. And so that's what's happening. So you can see here, am I out of shot? No, I'm still in shot. So all this stuff here is just basically, I've used this space as storage because I can't do anything at the moment. So I've just used it for storage. And inside there as well, using it as storage as well. And underneath, I've got some lights here. Let me move that one a bit, just to make it so that you see it. Yeah. I need to put more lights in to the workshop because the lights obviously aren't reaching over there, and there's lots of materials which I bought that I can't use right now. So and what I've got here on the floor is I've got two. These are 2 Tesla motors. I've got many Tesla motors. There's a couple under there, plus underneath that stuff over there. I've got some there as well. And oh, there was some there. Oh, there, these ones are here, aren't they? And so what I need to do, first of all, I need to get some axles. I've got axles for this one, but I need extra axles because I'm going to use ones in Sierra Leone, which is what I'm planning to do. Then I'm going to have to get more axles for them. That's one of the axles. The other one's, I think, over there somewhere. So, and the whole wheel and everything's there, but I need to remove that. And this is my block and tackle that I was trying to use. And what I've got here is chain. I've got 5 meters of chain, which I can then snag over there. What I can do is maybe open the door and use something behind the door to, yeah, to do it that way. But I don't know. I'm not sure. There's a bunch of stuff. There's stuff I need to sell on eBay because I don't want it. There's a touch frame, 2 touch frames there, fridge, and some other stuff that needs to be sold. This needs to go to Sierra Leone. This is basically tools. And then there's stuff here, which I've got ready to go as well. Torque wrench, tables, other things as well. And these are a lot of these batteries are actually dead, so they can't be used right now, and I just need to dispose of them. But I just thought I'd do a general one of just, and then there's the bench over there, which I need to get access to. The ladder's in the way because I've made this is like a mezzanine office, as if it were, where I do most of my stuff, my IT stuff. But the ladder is kind of in the way of this bench, so I need to really move the bench or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. And I also need to improve the lighting. I've got lights over here, but there's none over that side. The plan was to put lights up there and something either up there or down here. So I need to improve the lighting, I think. Yeah. So just trying to basically show, and this is a bike stand. I've not bought a tripod. I mean, I have that, plus that's a light tripod over there. So I just use that and I just clamped it in. You can see how it's clamped in. And it's just a general video just to show, you know, like what I'm doing here myself right now, because I have staff, but they're all in Sierra Leone. So let me stop this one. So that's just one to keep up with this. And like I say, I apologise about the noise because of the heater, but it does get very cold in here. So yeah, and I think maybe perhaps future videos might be just done in this format since I have the capability. Okay.